Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So we are going to be talking about GoMining platform. Alright, so this is a platform where users get to earn Bitcoin. Basically, you are mining Bitcoin. You are not just mining anyhow Bitcoin, you are mining real Bitcoin from a Bitcoin mining machine that is sitting on a Bitcoin mining center. You're on your screen, you are only seeing like the dashboard of that Bitcoin mining machine at the Bitcoin mining center. You can see everything right here. All right, so very quickly we are going to be talking about this latest update about GoMining, how you can be able to start mining Bitcoin completely free, and also we are going to be talking about the paid version as well, and also we are going to be talking about the reason why your earning has dropped, the reason why you are no longer earning like you are earning before, for those of you who have already started using this platform. Also, we are going to be talking about how you can be able to benefit from the referral and other stuff like that. So without wasting time, let's now get started. But before we do get started, if you are new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and like this video, share it to keep us motivated. That supports me, and of course it helps a lot of people to discover this piece of content. So without wasting time, let's now dive straight in. So looking over here right now, you can see that I am on my own on my own account right here on GoMining. So first of all, the link to get started, in case you are interested, is going to be the link is going to be on the video description box. For those of you who are hearing about this particular platform for the first time, you can ask ChatGPT or Grok or Google about GoMining to find out how legitimate this platform is and decide whether you want to go in or not. And after making your research, I'm pretty sure you may likely want to give it a try. Now, without wasting time, let's now dive straight in. Now, looking over here right now, this is of course I'm on my wallet. Already I've earned about $6.28 from this particular platform. And of course, looking over here, let me take you to my miner. Over here on my miner, let me take you to my miner farm. Over here on my farm, this is what I have right here. I have two miner, because immediately you create accounts, immediately they are going to be giving you what we call a bonus miner. Bonus miner gets to mine Bitcoin for you immediately, and of course it's earning very slow. But in case you want to earn very fast, then you will understand that there is a need for you to upgrade your account, and upgrading your account is basically you getting yourself another mining machine. Over here I have two miner right here, and of course you can see this is my bonus miner right here, and of course this is the miner which I actually acquired for myself. To be able to acquire a miner, simply come over here to marketplace. But before you go to marketplace, make sure that you have binded your invitation code. The invitation code, if you want to use mine, it helps me, and of course it gives you 5% discount. The invitation code is simply mechanic. All right, write mechanic in capital letter. That is my invitation code, just like as we are seeing it on the screen. And of course you have only 30 days to make use of this invitation code. If your account stays more than 30 days and you haven't binded your invitation code, which is mechanic in capital letter, then you are no longer going to be getting any discount regardless of the invitation code you are using. So let's now dive straight in and continue. I have two miner right here, and one of the important things which I need to talk about is of course the reward. All right, so over here on the reward, okay, let me take you to my reward. Over here on the reward, you will get to find out that this is what I'm earning every single day. You can see the dates right here. This is what I earned today. I'm earning very little, and before this I'm not earning very little like this. The reason why I'm earning very little is what I'm about to tell you right now. For those of you who actually started with this long time ago, we get to understand that we were not earning very little like this. So I contacted one of the GoMiner team, and I asked him about the reason why my reward dropped. All right, and he gave me a lot of explanation, and I think he is correct. So let me take you to what I used to earn earlier. Okay, let me take you to what I used to earn earlier. Okay, so this is it. Let me just start from here. Usually I earn around 300, and okay, just bear with me. Okay, so this reward is in Go. Let me choose cryptocurrency. Okay, I want it to be showing everything in Bitcoin. All right, so over here you can see I used to earn very huge, about 384 Satoshi and so on. You can see I was earning very huge, but recently the earning dropped to around 30 Satoshi and other stuff. So the one of the team which I contacted told me that the reason why the reward has dropped is because the price of Bitcoin has dropped also. So he said that if the price of Bitcoin goes back up, then the reward that we are getting will also go back up, and of course our balance on our wallet will also rush back up. So there is no need for you to panic in case your reward started becoming lesser. Now, for you to be able to earn, there are several ways. Now, the first way is of course through your mining, all right, through your mining farm, which is from your mining machine which you have acquired and the one that you got for free. Now remember, once you are given this bonus miner, there are going to be some tasks which are going to be required from you to complete for you to actually upgrade your bonus miner so that it will earn even faster for you. And looking over here, you can see we have this called watch live mining. Clicking over here right now, they are going to show you, you know, a Bitcoin mining center where the machines are. You can see these are the Bitcoin mining center right here. Okay, this is where your mining machine is. The only thing is that you are seeing the kind of the visual, the screen, the visual representation of all any of this mining machine right here. So you are mining real Bitcoin sitting somewhere else on the mining center. This is not just here for play or just for, you know, for any other reason. So over here right now, this is what I need to show you right now. Now let's talk a little bit about the referral. Now going to my account on my phone, you can see, let me show you a little bit about referral. Okay, so over here, this is the referral program. Over here on the referral program, let me show you something real quick. Over here you can see that I have already invited about 57 persons right here, and of course right here the total reward which I've got so far, because they will reward me when someone actually make a purchase of a Bitcoin mining machine. I've got about 3.29. It was bigger than this, but I think the price of Bitcoin that went down actually affected it. And over here right now, there are lots of benefits when you actually join in using my invitation code, which is mechanic in capital letter. You get 5% bonus on the terahash on the first miner, meaning that once you acquire yourself first miner, you're actually getting 5% bonus. And of course this is before 30 days ends. All right, so within 30 days, after 30 days you won't be able to get it anymore. You also get free $20 when you open or activate your your dollar card and spend up to $100. You get free $20. Also, you have 1 month of platinum within 30 days. So it's very, very important that you bind my invitation code, and once you bind my invitation code, you are supporting me and also you are getting a lot of benefit. All right, so that's how simple it is, and that is how you get to start accumulating Bitcoin every single day. All right, so over here it is very, very easy. And of course we have the marketplace. This is where you get to buy, you know, mining machine. Different mining machine have different power, and for you to actually discover the best one, you need to check out the terahash power. So the terahash power determines a lot. Over here you can see this one has only 1 terahash power, and of course you are going to get your ROI is going to be 1.74%, and of course 1 terahash power is too little. And of course I will actually recommend you go for a bigger one that is going to earn you even faster, and the efficiency is better, and of course you get to earn bigger ROI. So the choice is totally yours. And of course remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing on my channel entirely is a financial advice, so make sure you do your research properly before you engage on any of this type of activity. All right, you know, crypto can be risky in general. All right, so do your research properly before you engage, and most importantly check out to find out about how legitimate this platform is, because it is for me personally, I can tell you that it is legit, verified on so many places. Now over here, let me go back. You can also sell your miner if you wish to. You can sell your miner, for example, going back right now to my miner right now, you can see we have the option of selling miner, but I'm not selling my miner. I don't have any reason. You can sell back your mining machine and get back your money if you care. All right, so it is very, very easy as this, and I think this is going to be all for this particular video. So I'm going to be dropping more and more updates for you guys. Do well to like this video you just watched right now, share it to your friends to get them updated, and of course like this video, because when you like this video, you are supporting me and you are also helping the video to go viral. Most importantly, do well to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys, and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'm going to be dropping very, very soon.